Now the second theory of acids and bases is the Bronsted-Lowry theory. Okay. According to this theory, acids are proton donors, they give away protons. Bases are proton acceptors, they take up protons. So acid gives away proton, so you get an H3O plus and Cl minus, and base accepts protons, you get OH minus and NH4 plus. Notice there is no mention of water. Here acid reacts with water to give away protons. So this will happen even when it does not react, even when it is not dissolved in solution, in aqueous solution. So in other words, if an acid was dissolved in, say, chloroform, it still gives away H plus and Cl minus. Okay, so no mention of water in this case. Now, the key factor about acids and bases as far as Lowry theory goes, if you take a example of ammonia, right? Compare this and this species. So NH3 and NH4 plus. They differ by one proton. This has 4 protons, this has 3 protons. H2O and OH minus. 2 protons and 2 hydrogens and 1 hydrogen, right? So whenever an acid and base react, the second point that you have to check is, in this case, ammonia is taking proton and water is giving away proton. In the case of, say, HNO3, for example, NO3 minus and H3O plus. In this case, water is taking proton from nitric acid. In the previous case, water is giving proton to ammonia. There are 2 points I want you to make a note of here. Water is behaving like a base in this case, it is behaving like acid in this case. Okay, such species are known as amphiprotic. Species that behave like acids in some cases and bases in some cases, right? Amphiprotic. Now, the second concept, the second point that I want you to observe is, like I showed you in a couple of slides ago, NH3, NH4 plus. This one has 4 hydrogens, 3 hydrogens. OH minus, H2O, 2 hydrogens, 1 hydrogen. In the case of HNO3 reaction, right? HNO3, NO3 minus, 0 hydrogens, 1 hydrogen, no hydrogens here. H2O, H3O plus. 2 hydrogens, 3 hydrogens. So when acid and base react, a set of species are formed which will differ from its predecessor by 1 hydrogen. This pair or this pair of compound, these are known as conjugate acid and base pairs. According to Laurie-Bronsted theory, what is the meaning of neutralization reaction? Neutralization, what does this mean? This means acid reacts with base to produce conjugate acid base pair. So according to this theory, whenever acid and base react, conjugate acid base pairs are formed.